Welcome to my YouTube and Facebook channel. In this video, we will discuss about entrepreneurial brains are wired differently. Scientists reveal neural secrets behind business success. In a groundbreaking exploration of the minds, driving business triumphs, a recent study has delved into the intricate neural circuitry that sets serial entrepreneurs apart from conventional managers. This revelatory research, conducted through an ingenious resting state, functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI technique, has illuminated the superior cognitive adaptability etched within the brains of these entrepreneurial trailblazers, hinting at the keys to their unparalleled accomplishments. A dynamic collaboration between the Heck School of Management at the University of Liège and Liège University Hospital, CHU Liège, brought together experts from the realms of entrepreneurship and neuroscience, uniting their expertise to shed light on the enigmatic nexus of entrepreneurial prowess and brain function. The findings, unveiled in the prestigious pages of the Entrepreneurship Theory and Practice Journal, underscore the enhanced neural connectivity residing in serial entrepreneurs' minds, fostering a distinct cognitive landscape poised for visionary ingenuity. The R's. fMRI methodology, a departure from conventional task-based MRI, observed the subject's brains at rest, unburdened by cognitive demands or external stimuli. This innovative approach exposed the subtle interplay between the right insula, a hub of cognitive flexibility, and the anterior prefrontal cortex, a critical center for exploratory decision-making. It unveiled a heightened connectivity in serial entrepreneurs compared to their managerial counterparts, accentuating their capacity to seamlessly oscillate between exploration and exploitation, a quintessential equilibrium underpinning their triumphs. This groundbreaking study casts a revealing spotlight on the neural architecture of entrepreneurial cognition, with profound implications for organizational training and development in a rapidly evolving world fraught with unpredictability. The imperative for cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset and nurturing cognitive malleability within teams becomes resoundingly evident. As Professor Bernard Solamont of Liège aptly notes, these qualities are not just a pursuit of business acumen, but a 21st century imperative recognized by the OECD. The integration of neuroscience and entrepreneurship in this multidisciplinary inquiry embodies the essence of neuroentrepreneurship. Dr. Stephen Lorays, a distinguished neurologist and clinical professor, aptly underscores the significance of neuroimaging techniques in unmasking the intricate neural networks that orchestrate cognitive flexibility. This, in turn, empowers individuals to seamlessly acclimate to an ever-changing reality, the very crucible from which entrepreneurial victories are forged. As we peer into the neural sanctum of entrepreneurial success, this pioneering study serves as an architectural blueprint, revealing the cognitive scaffolding that propels visionaries to unparalleled heights. In a landscape marked by ceaseless transformation, these newfound insights illuminate the path toward fostering innovation, propelling organizations to thrive amid the tempest of change. Reference: Advancing Neuroentrepreneurship Cognition Research Through Resting State fMRI, a methodological brief by Frederick Ooms, Jitka Anand, Rajanikant Panda, Paul Munier, Luaba Tishibanda, Paul Munier, Luaba, Jeffrey M. Pollack and Bernard Solamont. 8 May 2023. Dewey, 10.1177. 10 quadrillion, 422 trillion, 587 billion 170,217. Thanks for watching. If you like video, please subscribe, give feedback and comments, and share with others. Keep watching my videos.